Hey there, I'm Alex. In this short demo, I'll show you how to build a complete website just like this one in under 60 seconds, using the Instant Website Builder from UK cheapest domains and hosting. Step 1. First select Instant Website Builder. It's completely free to try and perfect for single-page websites, landing pages, or anyone who needs to get online fast. Step 2. Next select Start Instantly. Here you can choose optional features to enhance your site, like a Google Map, a contact form, or an image gallery. Step 3. Now enter a brief description of your business or service. This is where the smart technology takes over. Just tell it what you do, and the builder will do the rest. Not sure what to write? Don't worry. Example prompts are right there to help. Today I'll be using the example provided. Step 4. Then select See My Website instantly. And that's it. In about 30 seconds, your custom-built website is ready to go, clean, modern, and designed just for you. And there you have it, a professional website, built by you in minutes. Like what you see. Check out our next video. Instant Website Builder. How to make my site live.